Here in Hume, we're proud of our community. We look out for each other, care about our neighbours, and value the places we all share. Whether you're a resident, a homeowner, or a local business owner, we want you to thrive. As a council, we're fortunate to own a lot of land and property. Nearly 2,000 sites across more than 1,000 hectares. Much of this is already being used for things like libraries, parks, community centres and offices. But some of it isn't doing much at all. And keeping that unused land maintained still costs money. Money that could be going back into the community. So we've created the Strategic Property Management Framework. It's a guide for how we decide what to keep, what to improve, and in some cases, what to sell. What does this mean for you? It means the land is put to good use. We can create revenue from land we don't need and use that revenue to improve community services, facilities and public spaces in a way that aligns with the Council's plans and community goals. Of course, we know you might have questions. How do you make these decisions? We don't just look at one thing. We think about what the community needs, what lines up with Council's goals, the opportunities and risks, both now and into the future. Importantly, your voices are also what guide us. We will listen to the community so our choices lead to the best outcomes for everyone in Hume. We know this is a big topic and the document itself is complex. So if you're feeling unsure, that's okay. Your feedback is important and we want you to ask questions, share your thoughts and talk with us about what matters to you. You'll have the opportunity to be heard before any decisions are made. Take a look at the framework, share it with your neighbours, start the conversation, because this is your community and your voice matters. We're here for you.